Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to factory reset Roku TV without remote. Let's go. First way, use keyboard. Connect the keyboard to your TV. Open settings. System. Factory reset. Second way, use virtual remote control. To use the virtual remote control, your TV and your phone must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If you are using a Roku box, press the reset button for a few seconds. That's it. Now you know how to factory reset Roku TV without remote. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.